morning, students. So today I am going to start the remaining examples of the 6 number applications of derivatives, that is increasing or decreasing function. So last time, the previous lecture, we discussed on the examples on increasing and decreasing function. So what is called increasing function? Increasing function means f dash of x greater than 0. Decreasing function means what? F dash of x less than 0. Just recall the increasing and decreasing function. So if x1 comma x2 less than x1 is less than x2 and f of x1 less than f of x2 such that f dash of x greater than 0. So this function is called as what? Increasing function. What is called decreasing function? If x1 less than x2, these are the 2 points. On the x-axis lies in the interval, that is the a minus delta and a plus delta. That is the neighborhood point of point A. So x1 is less than x2. Function, the value of function for x1 which is less than the value of function f of x2, that function is called as what? Increasing function. Decreasing function means x1, x2 less than, x1 is less than x2, but f of x1 greater than f of x2, such that f dash of x is less than 0. So this is a decreasing function, this is increasing function. Monotonically means strictly increasing, monotonically means strictly decreasing function. So ऊपर का increasing function, नीचे का decreasing function, वो सब previous lecture में हुआ है, and we will take examples, some examples on the increasing and decreasing function. So let us start the next example from the same exercise 2.4, that is increasing and decreasing function. So find the values of x for which the following functions are decreasing. So here the function is given polynomial function. Okay. Let us start. Procedure said f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 6. For increasing, for decreasing, we have to find out what? F dash of x. So f dash of x means derivative of f of x. This is 3x square minus 6x minus 12 plus 0. The derivative of 3 into 2, 6x square. 3 into 2, 6x minus 12. Constant term got derivative what? 0. So this becomes 6 common from here. This is x square minus x minus 2. This is f dash of x. So given function f of x is decreasing, therefore f dash of x is less than 0. Strictly decreasing means strictly less than 0. So this is the condition of decreasing function. So f dash of x is this, that is 6 into bracket x square minus x minus 2 less than 0. This one is the quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 2 less than 0. So it has factors, so x minus 2 and x plus 1 less than 0. So this, the product of two factor when less than 0, if one of them is negative. Either this negative means obviously this positive, or this positive and this is what? Negative. Then we say that this function, these factors are less than 0. So there are two cases. Either x minus 2 less than 0, x plus 1 greater than 0, or second condition is what? X minus 2 greater than 0, x plus 1 less than 0. So here consider first case, case number first. What is the case number first? This x minus 2 less than 0 and x plus 1 greater than 0. X minus 2 less than 0 means x is less than 2. X plus 1 greater than this, plus 1 to the right side becomes minus 1. X is greater than minus 1. X is less than 2, x is greater than minus 1. Second case, case number second. This is the case number second. Which one? That x minus 2 greater than 0 and x plus 1 less than 0. Means what? X is greater than 2, x is less than minus 1. So हम इसको रियल लाइन में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. नंबर लाइन है, यहाँ पर 0 है, यहाँ पर 2, ये 1, यहाँ पर minus 1. ग्रेटर देन 2 and less than minus 1. So this is not possible. ये possible नहीं है. This is not possible. So you can verify from the real line, that is the number line. X is greater than 2, x is less than minus 1. X की value more than 2 रखो. यहाँ पर 3 रखो. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Minus 1 से less than रखो, 0 रखो. So this is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 less than 1 हो सकता है कि less than 0 हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता. This is not possible. So only this. Therefore, x greater than minus 1 and less than 2. This is the answer. Or x belongs to minus 1 comma 2. ये अपना आंसर है. This is the value of x. So here सबसे important, when these two factors are less than 0, if one of them is negative, दोनों में से एक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. Either first negative or second negative. अगर हम पहला नेगेटिव लेते तो सेकंड को ऑब्वियसली पॉजिटिव लेना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट. सो वेरिफिकेशन के लिए ये नंबर लाइन द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करता है तो ये आंसर बन जाएगा अपना. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करता है तो आप ये सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. x is less than 2. लेस देन 2 कौन सा है? 1 है. यहाँ पर 1 रखो. 1 minus 2 कितना है? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. ग्रेटर देन माइनस 1 रखो. ग्रेटर देन माइनस 1 0 रखो. यहाँ पर 0 plus 1 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So less than 0. So सिर्फ यही कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करता है. ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो सकती. That's why answer is what? The values of x which is less than 2 and greater than minus 1. Less than 2 and greater than minus 1. This is the answer. Or x belongs to minus 1 comma 2. So this is the answer for the function is decreasing. We'll take one more example. Now let us see the second example from the same third exercise 2.4 का third example. उसमें से second, we have to find the values of x when function is decreasing. So here this is the function f of x. Let f of x is equal to x plus 25 by x. 25 by x. So immediately find out f dash of x. X का डेरिवेटिव 1, 1 by x का minus 1 by x square, 25 by x square. This is f dash of x. Now mention here given f of x is a decreasing function. Decreasing function means f dash of x less than 0. F dash of x less than 0, that is a decreasing function, this term. So therefore 1 minus 25 by x square less than 0. 1 minus 25 x square less than 0. हम इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. x square minus 25 divided by x square which is less than 0. But x square is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. So definitely this denominator is increasing because square function है. Square function का value always positive ही आता है. That's why this function is increasing. That's why we consider only numerator. x square minus 25 less than 0. The factors x minus 5, x plus 5 less than 0. The factors of this quadratic x minus 5 and x plus 5 less than 0. So either यहाँ पर भी दो कंडीशन बन जाएंगे. एक कंडीशन क्या होगी, x minus 5 less than 0, और दूसरी केस बन जाएंगे x plus 5 greater than 0, or second case is what, x minus 5 greater than 0 and x plus 5 less than 0. ये दो कंडीशन बन गए. वन ऑफ देम फैक्टर एक निगेटिव होना चाहिए. दोनों में से एक कौन सा फैक्टर निगेटिव होना चाहिए. अगर हमने ए निगेटिव लिया तो ये कौन सा बन जाएगा, पॉजिटिव. अगर इसको निगेटिव लिया तो ऑब्वियसली पहला फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव. प्रोडक्ट निगेटिव कब होता है, उसमें से एक टर्म निगेटिव होना चाहिए, तभी प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है, निगेटिव बनता है. सो हियर x इज लेस देन 5, x इज ग्रेटर देन -5. ये पहली टर्म. x is less than 5, x is greater than -5. ये x is greater than 5, x is less than -5. So ये wrong है कि देखो x की वैल्यू 5 से ग्रेटर रखो. यहाँ पर 5 से ग्रेटर 6 रखे हमने. 6 minus 6 का स्क्वायर कितना है, 25. 6 का स्क्वायर 36. 36 minus 25 कितना, 11. 11 ये टर्म लेस देन 0 है, नहीं है. -4 रखा हमने यहाँ पर. -4 का स्क्वायर कितना है, -4 का स्क्वायर है 16. 16 ये टर्म करेक्ट है, बट दिस टर्म इज रॉन्ग, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो मेंशन हियर नॉट पॉसिबल. सो देयरफॉर x is less than 5 greater than -5. This is the answer. 5 से लेस और -5 से ग्रेटर मीन्स व्हाट, x belongs to -5, -5 एक्सेप्ट 0. 0 नहीं चलेगा. 0 का स्क्वायर 0 होता है. 0 माइनस 0 भी चलेगा. नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट 0. सो दिस इज द आंसर. -5, 5. So x belongs to -5, 5. This is the answer when this function is decreasing. Okay. So next we'll take. Now let us see the next example. Find the values of x for this function. Function is same polynomial function. So we have to solve for both cases, increasing and decreasing. अगर आपने सिर्फ एक एग्जाम्पल किया है तो आपको पूरी कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगी. What is the increasing function and what is the decreasing function? So हमें पहले सॉल्व करना है for increasing. सेम एक फंक्शन आपको क्या सॉल्व करना है for decreasing. So let's start. Procedure same. Let write the function. f of x is equal to x cube minus 12x square minus 144x plus 30. Find out f dash of x. Derivative. 3x square 24x minus 44 plus 0. Derivative of constant term is 0. f dash of x 3 कॉमन लेंगे. x square minus 8x minus 24. 24 48 होगा शायद. 48 3 से डिवाइड किया इसको. 3 4s are 12, 2 3 8s are 24. This will be the answer. Now f dash of x, the factorization, this is quadratic equation. The factors of what, ऐसे दो नंबर फाइंड करना है हमें जिसका प्रोडक्ट -48 होना चाहिए. प्रोडक्ट कितना होना चाहिए, -48. उसका सम कितना आना चाहिए, -8. व्हाट आर दैट टू नंबर, 12 4s are -12 and 4. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कितना है, -48. 12 4s are -48. ये दोनों का सम -12 plus 4 is what, -8. -12 plus 4 what, -8. So that's why factors are, एक होगा x minus 12, दूसरा होगा x plus 4. So this is the process to factorize the quadratic equation. x minus 12 x plus 4. Now first case, f of x is increasing, therefore f dash of x greater than 0. एक एग्जांपल, सिर्फ यही एग्जांपल आप थोड़े ध्यान से देखो, तो आपको पूरी कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगी. व्हाट इज इंक्रीजिंग, व्हाट इज डिक्रीजिंग. फॉर इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन f dash of x greater than 0. व्हाट इज f dash of x? 3 into x minus 12 x plus 4 greater than 0. इधर 0 हो जाएगा. x minus 12 x plus 4 greater than 0. दोनों ये फैक्टर ग्रेटर देन 0 कब पॉसिबल है? एक तो दोनों पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, एक तो दोनों नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. बिकॉज वी नो दैट प्लस इंटू प्लस इज प्लस, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज आल्सो प्लस. दैट्स व्हाई आइदर x minus 12 greater than 0, x plus 4 also greater than 0, or x minus 12 less than 0, x plus 4 less than 0. So there are two cases. Case first, पहली, both positive. X is greater than 12, x is less than minus 4. So ये दोनों में से एक ही फैक्टर सेटिस्फाई करेगा. लेस ग्रेटर देन 12 तुम यहाँ पर 13 रखो. 13 minus 12 कितना है? 13 minus 12 is 1. 13 plus 4 कितना है? 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 into 1 is what? 17, which is greater than 0. So only this satisfies. Therefore, x greater than 12. ये अपना वैल्यू है. Why? अगर ये why it is wrong, x is less than minus 4 हमने लिया है. Less than minus 4 कौन सा? minus 3 लेंगे यहाँ पर. minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. minus 3 plus 4 1. 1 into minus 15 greater than 0 क्या हो? नहीं, less than 0. That's why this term is not acceptable. So here, therefore, x is not less than minus 4. एक वैल्यू मिल गई. अब हमें दूसरी वैल्यू, दूसरी केस लेना है. दूसरी केस कौन सी अपनी? ये सेकंड केस है. x is x minus 12 less than 0, x plus 4 less than 0. देखो x is less than 12, x is less than minus 4. less than 12 अगर हम यहाँ पर 11 लिया, 11 minus 12 कितना है? minus 1. 11 plus 4 कितना है? 15. 15 into minus 1 कितना? minus 15. minus 15 greater than 0 हो सकता है क्या? नहीं हो सकता. That therefore x is never less than 12. X is less than minus 4. So this is our answer. A and A. So therefore, if f of x is increasing, therefore x is greater than 12 and x is less than minus 4. Greater than 12 minus 4. अब हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, x is belongs to minus infinity greater than 12 minus 4. X belongs to ये उसका आंसर. अब सेकंड केस, व्हाट इज सेकंड केस? f of x is decreasing. Increasing, now decreasing. So decreasing means what? Mention here f dash of x less than 0. Is greater than 0, less than 0. What is f dash of x? This is f dash of x. 3 into x minus 12 into x plus 4 less than 0. x minus 12 x plus 4 less than 0. It's all about decreasing function. So here though there are also two cases. Either ये दोनों नेगेटिव कब हो सकते हैं? इनमें से एक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, पहला नेगेटिव दूसरा पॉजिटिव, और पहला पॉजिटिव दूसरा नेगेटिव, दो फैक्टर का प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव कब होता है? उनमें से एक फैक्टर नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. सो ऑब्वियसली दूसरा फैक्टर कैसा होता है? पॉजिटिव होता है. सो आइदर x minus 12 less than 0 and x plus 4 greater than 0, और सामने लिखो यहाँ पर, और x minus 12 greater than 0, x plus 4 less than 0. So x is less than 12, x is greater than minus 4, x is greater than 12, x is less than minus 4. So इनमें से एक कौन सी तो भी वैल्यू करेक्ट है? ग्रेटर देन 12, 13 यहाँ पर, ग्रेटर देन ना यहाँ पर 13, लेस देन 12, लेस देन 12 मीन्स 11 माइनस 12 माइनस 1, 12 प्लस 4 16 में ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्या हो जाएगा? लेस देन 0 आएगा, बराबर है. ग्रेटर देन माइनस 4, ग्रेटर देन माइनस 4 कौन सा है? माइनस 3 माइनस 12 माइनस 15, माइनस 3 प्लस 4 1 इंटू माइनस 15 लेस देन 0. Therefore this is not possible, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. So answer is x is less than 12, x is greater than minus 4. It means x is less than 12, greater than minus 4. ये आंसर है अपना. और we can write x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. This is the answer. Increasing function, decreasing function. थोड़ा और नंबर सिस्टम, लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन, प्लस प्लस इंटू प्लस प्लस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, ये पूरा कंसेप्ट अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए, तभी आपको ये एग्जांपल अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा. So this is the single example. It is sufficient for this concept, increasing function and decreasing function. Okay. Same ऐसा एग्जांपल नंबर 5 है. इसके बाद जो एग्जांपल नंबर 5 है, सिर्फ सिंपल पॉलिनोमियल एग्जांपल दिया है, थोड़ा इसमें चेंज किया है, आपको सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए. But still there are two examples that we will take immediately. Okay. See the next example from the same exercise 2.4. Example number 6. He has given this function. This function is rational function. We have to find the values of x for strictly increasing and strictly decreasing function. So again procedure same. F of x is x upon x square plus 1. Find the derivative by u by v rule. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. X square plus 1 minus 2x square. X square minus 2x square is minus x square. 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. This is f dash of x. It's solved by u by v rule. Now first we solve the first case, that is strictly increasing. So let us write there f of x is increasing. Function increasing means what? F dash of x greater than 0. F dash of x is this greater than 0. So this term is square function. Square function always positive, always greater than 0. So only consider 1 minus x square greater than 0. So 1 minus x square greater than 0, minus x square right में plus x square हो गया. 1 is greater than x square. It means x square is less than 1. x square less than 1 कब आता है? एक तो x less than 1 होना चाहिए, greater than minus 1 होना चाहिए. minus 1 के ऊपर और लेस इसके नीचे 1 से लेस देन और minus 1 से ग्रेटर देन, तभी ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होंगी. सो वैल्यूज आर x is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. So here next is f of x is decreasing function. It means f dash of x is less than 0. f dash of x तो ये हमने फाइंड किया यहाँ पर. So ये टर्म always positive है, so we consider only numerator 1 minus x square less than 0. 1 is less than x square, it means x square is greater than 1. स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 1 कब आ जाएगा? एक तो ग्रेटर देन 1 होना चाहिए, नहीं तो लेस देन क्या होना चाहिए? -1. ये दो वैल्यू आप यहाँ पर चेक कर सकते हैं, तभी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होंगी. इट मींस इफ फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग, the values of x are greater than 1 and less than -1. So these are the answers for this particular function. F of x is equal to x upon x square plus 1. This is the example number 6. So we will take one more example number 7 immediately after this. Okay. See the next example. Example number 7 from the same exercise. So here we have to prove, we have to show this function is increasing in this interval, same function decreasing in this interval. हमें प्रूव करना है. So थोड़ा डिफरेंट मैटर से सॉल्व करेंगे हम, सिर्फ पैटर्न स्टार्ट करेंगे. पूरा सॉल्यूशन पढ़े लिख के लिया है. So we have to just understand. मैं each and every step में डिक्टेट करने वाला हूँ, एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ. So let us write first function 3x plus 1 by 3x. उसकी f dash of x 3x का due to 3, 1 upon f of x का due to minus 1 upon f of x square into f dash of x into what? F dash of x. ये 3 into -1 is -3, 9x square whole square. 3 cancel, 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 3x square. This is f dash of x. So now ये f dash of x हो गया. अब हमें क्या करना है? f function is increasing if, ये तो थ्योरी है, f dash of x greater than 0. Function is decreasing if f dash of x is less than 0. पहला हम प्रूव करेंगे ये फंक्शन इंक्रीज है इस इंटरवल में. सो ये तो दिया है, प्रूव करना है हमें. सो x belongs to 1 by 3, 1. It means x is less than 1 and greater than 1 by 3. सो ये जो फंक्शन है x, जो वेरिएबल है x, यहाँ पर हमें f dash of x लाना है, ये टर्म लाना है. x की जगह पे क्या लाना है? 3 minus 1 upon 3x को. ये थोड़ा अलग टेक्निक है. सो ये पहली बार कर रहे हैं हम. देखो कैसा करना है. पहले x को स्क्वायर करेंगे, थ्रूआउट सबका स्क्वायर करो. 1 by 3 का स्क्वायर 1 by 9, 1 का स्क्वायर 1, ये x स्क्वायर. राइट. नाउ सबको थ्रूआउट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 by 3 हो जाएगा. इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3 बन जाएगा. ये हो गया 3x स्क्वायर. तो 3x स्क्वायर तो आ गया. अब हम उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे. सो इनइक्वालिटी की एक प्रॉपर्टी है. अब इफ यू आर टेकिंग रेसिप्रोकल, देन ग्रेटर देन साइन बिकम्स लेस देन and less than sign becomes what? Greater than. This is the concept of inequality. So ये 3x square का reciprocal 1 by 3x square, 1 by 3 का reciprocal 3, 3 का reciprocal 1 by 3. Throughout सबका reciprocal लिया, but important this less than sign becomes what? Greater than sign. ये important. और अगर हम सबका नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सबको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो अगेन this greater than sign becomes again what? Less than. -3 minus 1 upon 3x square less than -1 by 3. ये टर्म आ गए. अब थ्रूआउट सबको 3 ऐड करो. इधर 3 ऐड, इधर 3 ऐड, इधर 3 ऐड. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 1 upon 3x square, 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So देखो ये जो टर्म है 3 minus 1 upon 3x square, ये अपना क्या है? ये f dash of x. So ये हमें लाना था f dash of x. ये टर्म पर वेरिएबल की जगह पे फंक्शन लाना था, डेरिवेटिव. So 0 is less than f dash of x is less than 8 by 3. So f dash of x is greater than 0. So यही हमें प्रूव करना था. f dash of x greater than 0 for what? For all x belongs to 1 by 3, 1. अपना पहला पार्ट प्रूव हो गया कि फंक्शन इंक्रीजिंग इन दिस इंटरवल. Which interval? x belongs to 1 by 3, 1. अब तो ये रिपीट होने वाला है. ये तो इसमें क्या है? So हमें सेकंड पार्ट में क्या प्रूव करना है? This function is decreasing in this interval 1 by 9 and 1 by 3. So x belongs to 1 by 9, 1 by 3. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? x is less than 1 by 3 and greater than 1 by 9. अभी देखो सेम प्रोसीजर, यहाँ पे हमें f dash of x लाना है, ये लाना है. So again सेम प्रोसीजर, सबका स्क्वायर किया, 1 by 9 का स्क्वायर 1 by 81, x स्क्वायर 1 by 9. थ्रूआउट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 1 by 81 into 3, 1 by 27, 1/9 into 3, 1/3, 3x। अब रेसिप्रोकल लेना है तो लेस देन का क्या हो जाएगा, ग्रेटर देन। 27, 3, 1/3x²। सबको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो -1/3x², -3, -27। आप माइनस किया तो फिर ये ग्रेटर देन का क्या बन जाएगा, लेस देन। यहाँ पर आपको फोकस करना है कि इफ वी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस साइन, then that greater than becomes less than become greater than. And one more thing, if you are taking reciprocal, that also changes greater to less to greater. सबको 3 ऐड करो, 3 - 27, 3 - 1/3x², 3 - 3, 3 - 27 is -24, 3 - 1/3x², आणि हमें यही लाना था, 3 - 1/3x²। ये हमारा क्या है, f dash of x. So -24 which is less than f dash of x which is less than 0. So ये important, f dash of x is less than 0 for all x belongs to 1/9 and 1/3. So this is our proof. This function is increasing in the interval 1/3, 1 and decreasing in the interval 1/9, 1/3. So this is the solution for this last example of the topic of the concept increasing and decreasing function. सिर्फ मैंने 1, 2, 3 एग्जांपल स्किप किया, वो very similar to which were taken in the class. So we'll try that. You will try that example selfly, and if you have any doubt, so please ask me. So here, this is the enough study for the increasing and decreasing function. So today we'll stop here. On next video lecture, we'll take the last application, which one is the most important application, that is maxima and minima, in the next video lecture. So today we'll stop here. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.